Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of rich, pigmented eyeshadows that bring a whole new level of warmth to your makeup routine, today's product may just have your name on it. Let's talk about the Smashbox Always-On Mood Board Eyeshadow Palette in Cozy Vibes, a compact collection that promises to deliver high pigment, shimmer, and all the cozy, warm browns you could ever need. This palette features a carefully curated set of matte shades that transition effortlessly from day to night. It's designed with the idea of creating a smooth, highly blendable application for long-lasting results. Whether you're getting ready for a chill day out or a glam evening look, these tones have got you covered. It's part of Smashbox's Always-On collection, which has built its reputation on delivering eye-catching, long-wearing products. When I first got my hands on this palette, I was immediately impressed by the sleek, minimalist packaging. Smashbox doesn't overwhelm you with flashy design here. It's a straightforward case that feels professional and easy to stash in your makeup bag. But let's talk about the shadows themselves. Cozy Vibes is the perfect name for this palette. The shades are incredibly warm. Think deep, velvety browns and subtle neutrals that blend like a dream. You've got your classic matte shades that serve as the perfect base or transition tones, but there's also that lovely shimmer that makes every look pop without being too bold or out of place. In terms of performance, this palette stands up to the test. I used it in various lighting conditions and even for a full day out, and I didn't experience any fading or creasing, which is a huge plus when you're looking for longevity in eyeshadows. The pigmentation? Fantastic. You really don't need to layer the product much to get vibrant, true-to-pan color. In real-world testing, I started by using a soft matte brown as my base, followed by a deeper shade in the crease for definition. The shimmer shades I layered on the lid just added that extra bit of dimension that made my eyes pop, but without the fallout. The matte shades blended beautifully. No patchiness or unevenness, which is often a concern with powders. The shimmers had a soft gleam to them, and they stayed put without fading into the day. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros? This palette is a dream for those who love warm neutrals. The texture is buttery smooth, and the colors are highly pigmented, which is something I always appreciate in an eyeshadow. If you're someone who likes to build up your look with layers, this palette gives you that freedom. Plus, the formula feels weightless and comfortable throughout the day. On the flip side, while the formula does a great job at staying put, I did find that the shimmer shades, though stunning, don't have the same intensity as some high-end shimmer formulas. They're beautiful, but if you're someone who likes that intense metallic finish, you might need to layer a bit more. Also, the palette is quite compact, which is great for travel, but can make the individual pans seem a bit smaller if you like using large brushes. Is it worth the price? I'd say yes. For the performance, pigmentation, and blendability, it's definitely reasonable. If you love a warm tone neutral palette, this one does the job beautifully, offering versatility for both subtle everyday looks and more dramatic evening styles. And compared to other similar palettes on the market, I'd say this one sits comfortably in the mid-range in terms of pricing, making it a solid investment for your beauty routine. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, you could check out the Maybelline The Nudes palette. It's similar in terms of offering a great mix of neutral shades, though it might not deliver the same intense pigmentation as Smashbox. On the higher end, Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette also offers warm neutrals, but at a higher price point, and it has that more intense shimmer factor if that's what you're after. As for build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, and I can tell that it will last in my makeup bag. The shadows have a decent shelf life too, so no need to worry about them going bad too quickly. It's a high-quality product that, despite its small size, packs a punch. Now, I haven't had any experience with Smashbox's customer service directly, but the brand is known for its responsive team and customer-friendly policies. They tend to have a good reputation for resolving issues, which is reassuring when you're purchasing. So let's wrap this up. The Smashbox Always-On Mood Board Eyeshadow Palette in Cozy Vibes is a high-performance product with rich pigmentation, smooth texture, and long-lasting wear. If you're a fan of warm neutrals and want a reliable palette that delivers a variety of looks, I think you'll really enjoy this one. It's perfect for anyone who loves matte and shimmer combinations for a natural yet polished eye look. If this review helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this palette in the description box below. And if you've already tried it, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.